In 2025, AI video tools are leveling up fast. But which one's better for creators? Skyreels or Wand AI? Let's break it down. Skyreels is an open source AI video engine designed for creators who want full control. You can turn prompts into cinematic videos, complete with realistic motion and human expressions. It runs locally with a strong GPU, or you can generate in the cloud, with pricing that's competitive and even includes free trials. Wand AI isn't just for video. It is built to automate everything about content, from generating scripts to deploying full AI agents that handle research, production, and even decision making. It is best for creators or teams who want to build automated workflows, not just single videos. Here's the verdict. Use Skyreels if you're all about video storytelling and cinematic quality. Use Wand AI if you want to automate your whole content pipeline, from idea to execution. So, what kind of creator are you? Drop a comment below and let us know if you'd use Skyreels or Wand AI. And hit follow for more no-fluff AI tool reviews.